Alright folks, back out here at New Smyrna Beach, Chrysler, Jeep, Dodge, Ram today. Did a couple of the smaller service bays last weekend. This weekend, gonna go ahead and get the bigger one, and then that should be it for this little round of stuff on the dealership. I'll show you. Well, this one here is closed, but we did that one last weekend. And then did this one. Trailer all set up. I'll show you which one we're going to be doing today. Give you a little view here. Got a pretty good sized service bay here. So today we're just going to be getting all the floors cleaned up and do some surface cleaning. So this is the surface cleaner here. Those of you that don't know, the way this guy works is on the back here, have a little quick connect. You just hook your hose up, hook your wood to the pressure washing wand and plug it in there. And then you actually have nozzles on either end. And these spin. The pressure causes this bar to spin at a high rate of speed. And then basically this guy cleans everything in sight. So these are a good way to do any concrete, any flat surfaces. Do a much quicker and more thorough job than using the wand. You want to have all the little streaks and stuff like that. If you go too quick, it will actually leave some little swirl marks from where it spins, but you know, as long as you go nice and slow, steady, even pace, usually be pretty satisfied with the results. So with that, I guess we need to get to work. I'll show you guys what's up later.